How to reset your Nintendo Switch console without deleting any saved data. So without deleting any saved data, I'm going to reset it. So this is just for a tutorial purpose. I'm just making this video. First, I need to press this power button to turn off. So I'll be getting this option. So I need to choose power options and gonna turn off. So now we have to go for maintenance mode. So how to do that maintenance mode? So just hold this power button and this volume minus and plus button. So 3 buttons we have to press it for a second. See, this is maintenance mode. You can update your system. Initialize console. This one is initialize console without deleting saved data. Delete all data on the console except for saved data, screenshots, video and user information. So I need to choose that by pressing A. Then initialize console without deleting saved data. So click on next. Are you sure you want to initialize the console? Initialize console without deleting saved data. So if I press A, right, it will be reset. Complete factory reset without deleting my saved data. So that's it. This is the way you can perform and you can navigate to maintenance mode. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedbacks in my forms. Thank you. Bye.